Hello, my name is Jocelyn Tamez Chavez, and I will be talking about sharks diversity. So, there are over 400 sharks species that have been discovered by humans so far. As today, they are classified into 8 different orders, which is Hexanchiformes, Squaliformes, Chrysophoreformes, Squantiformes, Heterodontiformes, Horectolobiformes, Parchonhintiformes, which is the blue sharks, Lamniformes, Echinohinformes. So I wanted to include a quick visual demonstration as of why they were classified the way they were. I do apologize for my way of pronouncing them. The terms are a little difficult to pronounce, but that is a scientific term. So within their orders, living sharks are classified in order to better comprehend their behaviors. And when we're talking about their physical traits, there's some general biology. For example, all squaliforms are the smallest sharks in the world. Oryctolobiformes is the most diverse one. And of course, I will be talking about another ones, but I'm going to give you, besides what it's in the presentation, some more information. So now there's many iconic species of sharks that, of course, we've heard before, but I'll go ahead and provide you with some examples, such as the great white shark, tiger shark, whale shark, hammerhead, goblin, mako, blue, lemon, megamouth, and the prehistoric, and last, the angel shark. So I also wanted to give you quick information about sharks before we go further with their differences and similarities. So all shark species constantly shed and replace their teeth. Some lose up to 35,000 in a lifetime. Also, you probably heard before the known species of shark, which is a great white. This is believed the most dangerous type of shark in the world. And people have been able to see them as they are among the rare species that they do raise their head out of the water. That is something pretty cool. As we continue explaining how diverse sharks are, I wanted to give basic information about each one individually. So, as you can see, the biggest group is the ground shark. It is mostly found in tropical waters. Saw sharks are the one with the long blade like its snout. The dogfish shark, which I wanted to go ahead and give a demonstration of what they look like if you have not seen them before. Dogfish is the one in the right picture, and they live at the bottom of the ocean. They're not really considered to be dangerous. And now angel sharks, they resemble rays. I also wanted to put a picture of a carpet shark, which is found in the left side. And the boat sharks have only been found in the Pacific and Indian Oceans. And last, the frill sharks are the only ones with 6 or 7 gill slits. And so I put those 2 pictures because I know that we're not talking about those. Mostly we usually talk about the big sharks that we see mostly in movies. But this is for the heck of learning more about sharks, not going based on what they tell us. So hopefully you do learn a little bit more about them and become more aware of how important they are for us. So now moving to the similarities. Sharks consist of similar anatomy, like skeleton made of cartilage. They have a sharp vision structure. They have several rows of teeth lining. And of course, they have other simulations, like for example, because of their unique skin, they are considered one of the fastest swimmers in the oceans. On the other hand, there are some difference on the sharks, for example, how they eat and capture their prey. Some have restful periods while others don't feel the need to. And also how many times a particular shark shed teeth or how they were born based on their species. As you can see, many have a different size and shapes. Some are between 15 centimeters or to 36 feet. There is something important I wanted to get my point across. Sharks may sound scary, or at least we are taught to be, but they are essential for our ecosystem. Sadly, about 25% of our species are threat or near extinction. And sharks are slowly reproducing, and it is constantly causing a severe decline. Here's an image giving some more insight of why and how sharks help us keep the coral reefs healthy and maintain the food chain balance. As you may heard somewhere, the shark fin soup became very popular in some areas, such as Asia. This removal of sharks affects the population of the prey. And millions of sharks are targeted every year. And so, thanks to a law, it has been banning this trend of shark finning. But we have to remember that they are a really vulnerable population, and they do protect our marine species. So, again, I really hope that my video helped you learn a little more and to be a little more considerate with our sharks. And I appreciate your time. Thank you. And here I added an extra page, including the sources that I used.